Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2019 on a 19 plate Toyota Aygo X-Plore. This is the 1 litre petrol, 5 doors, finished in the Cyan Splash Metallic, and the car's covered just 7,000 miles. Let's have a good walk round. Rare Explore model, lovely specification. This car's had just the one owner from new, and 7,000 miles. Comes with service history as well, and looks absolutely fantastic in the Cyan Splash Metallic, they call it. Light blue metallic to you and me. You've got the diamond cut alloy wheels, which are in perfect condition. Continental tyres all round. 5-door model. You've got the slight tint to the rear windows. Very striking looking little car. The blue and the black contrasting. 19 plate, so as with all cars of this age, road tax is £155 a year. Very low insurance group. They're excellent on fuel. Inside's very nice as well, as you'd expect. Explore model, so good level of specification, excellent. Remote central locking, you get electric windows in the front. Electronically adjustable door mirrors. Car does come with 2 keys. Up onto the steering wheel. Bluetooth. Controls for the radio. And down below there you've got cruise control as well. 5-speed manual gearbox. Up onto the stalk over here, you might just be able to see, it does come with automatic lights. And we'll start the car up. There's your mileage, 7241, half a tank of fuel as well. And then we've got your climate control as opposed to just air conditioning. A couple of cup holders and some storage, and you've got your USB, AUX and your 12-volt socket as well. DAB digital radio. Piano in the dark. Bluetooth, and if I put the car into reverse, reversing camera as well. In the glove box you've got your locking wheel nut set and also your handbooks. And it's all there, exactly as you'd expect it to be. Nice blue contrasting throughout. Good thing about these little Toyotas, very, very straightforward, easy to get used to. 5-door, so you still get the practicality. Plenty of headroom. It's a 4-seater, of course. Lovely and tidy. Of course you do get the ISOFIX as well for the child seats. And the rear windows just pop open on the little catch there. Really sharp looking car. Into the boot. Split folding rear seats, partial shelf all intact. And there's your boot space. Of course it's not a Volvo estate, you couldn't get your chest of drawers in there, but room for some luggage, shopping, and you do get the luxury of a spare wheel as well. So there we go, quick walk round of the little Aygo 2019 Explore model, 7,000 miles only from one owner with service history. Of course, it's not due its first MOT as yet. It will come with 2 keys, and it'll also come with Toyota warranty, which runs right the way through until March of 2024. So 2.5 years warranty left on the car. Should anything happen, of course, at this sort of mileage, you'll be absolutely fine. Price of the car, £9,490. Finance available from less than £150 a month with a 10% deposit. And we are working on an appointment-only basis, so if you would like to come and view, you will need to get in touch beforehand. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can also contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. If you've been following us, you'll see we get a lot of Aygos in. They sell very, very quickly. I think this one will be the same, especially in this colour. So I think you have to be pretty quick. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you click the notification bar, you will receive a message every time we post a new car. Thanks for watching.